Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, August 14th. The U.S. State Department has updated its travel advisory for Mexico, raising the nationwide level to exercise increased caution and adding terrorism to the list of risks. Now, for cruise passengers, most port advisories remained unchanged. Cozumel and Cabo San Lucas are still at level 2, though Cabo's update now highlights cartel threats and increased security. Puerto Vallarta stays at level 3, which is reconsider travel, and Mazatlan remains at level 4, or do not travel. Cruise lines typically avoid high-risk ports. And the Godmother bailed. Yeah, Diana Ross has backed out of her role of Godmother from Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas, citing unforeseen circumstances. The 81-year-old singer was set to christen the world's largest cruise ship from Port Canaveral on August 20th, then sail a 3-day voyage to the Bahamas. Well, that's not happening. Ross was named Godmother of the ship this past June and initially planned to attend with her family. She did recently wrap up her UK tour and kicks her US tour off this weekend. Royal Caribbean says it's looking for a new Godmother and hopes to announce one soon. And following the news of Carnival Cruise Line sending Mardi Gras to short cruises, the line has detailed sailings for its next XL-class ship, the Festivale. Now, launching in the spring of 27, the ship will debut with a 15-night transatlantic cruise from Southampton to Port Canaveral. That'll happen on May 2nd. From there, Festivale will offer year-round cruises to the Bahamas and the Caribbean. Also, some renderings were detailed about the ship's new water park and inside spaces, with it being a music-themed cruise ship. And cruise stocks were up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 3.3%, 30.63. Royal Caribbean flat, 313.32. Norwegian up 2.1%, 24.76. And Viking up a half, 59.99. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. This week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of MSC Cruises, MSC World America, where you listen to your favorite podcast. Here in Hollywood, California, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.